If you have ever bought a whitening lotion that promises results in 7 days, 5 days, or even 3 days, and all it gave you was dry skin and disappointment, then stay with me because this video will save you money and stress. Today we're talking about Caribbean secrets, and no, they are not all the same, even though the bottle looks similar. Hi everyone, my name is Kemi. I sell original skincare products, and one thing I've learned over the years in this business is that most people don't fail skincare. Skincare fails people when it is not explained properly. So let's break this down like normal human beings. Caribbean Secret is not one lotion. It is a range, and each one is designed for a different skin tone and a different level of strength. If you choose wrongly, your skin will let you know very quickly. So let me start from the mildest and work our way up. Caribbean Secret Pro Lightening Vitamin C. This is the white bottle. This is the one I call, come on, let's behave ourselves lotion. This one behaves. It is made for people who want brightening, fresh glow, even turn, hydration, no drama. Vitamin C here helps to improve dullness, support collagen, and gives the skin that clean, healthy glow. This is not bleaching, not peeling. This lotion is perfect. If your skin is already okay, but just looking dull, you want maintenance, but not transformation. You are scared of reactions. Think of this one as the everyday glow lotion. If your skin could talk, it will say to you, thank you for not stressing me at all when you are using this one. Now, let's move one step higher. Caribbean Secret 5D Whitening Solution with SPF 30. This is the one in the yellow bottle. I'm going to insert the pictures for you guys. This one is more active. It contains a combination of glycolic acid, habotin, azelaic acid, niacinamide, and other brightening agents. In simple terms, this lotion will help you to exfoliate gently, cleanse dark spots, improve uneven tone, smoothing your skin texture. This is for people dealing with dark patches, stretch marks, uneven body color, skin that looks rough and tired. It has SPF, which is very, very important because brightening skin without sun protection is like mopping water while the tap is still running. This lotion is for people who want visible reactions or visible results, but still want their skin to look healthy and not damaged. Let's pause. If this explanation is helping you, please like this video, subscribe and share with someone who keeps asking you for this lotion or asking for recommendations. Now let's move on. Let's talk about the one everybody is always curious about. Caribbean Secret Afkas, the 5D Whitenizer. This is the one in the black bottle. Let's not pretend. This one is strong. This is for beginners. This is not for beginners. This is not for sensitive skin. This is not for, let me try and see. This lotion is designed for major tone change, strong brightening, stubborn pigmentation, people who want dramatic results. It contains powerful brightening agents like glutathione, kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, and other intensive ingredients. This is the kind of lotion that works fast, but only if you know what you are doing. If you misuse this, your skin will punish you for it. If you use it correctly, moisturize properly, and protect your skin, you will see why people talk about it and why people love it. This is the I am serious about my complexion lotion. But again, strong doesn't mean careless. So I know what you are going to ask next is, which one should I choose? I'll make it simple for you. If you want glow and hydration, choose vitamin C, the white bottle. If you want brightening plus spot correction, choose the 5D whitening, the yellow bottle. If maximum tone change, go for the Afkas, the black bottle. Don't choose based on the hype. Choose based on what your skin can actually handle. Most skin damage comes from people jumping levels too fast. There is nothing wrong with starting slow. Healthy skin will always look better than damaged white skin. So before we end this video, let me say this clearly. I sell original Caribbean Secret, and I don't believe in pushing the strongest option just to make a sale. The goal here is the result that you can maintain, not skin you will need to repair later. If you are confused about which one suits your skin, just drop a comment or reach out to us on WhatsApp before buying. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it to someone who might be interested. Subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below which one you are considering or which one you have tried before. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed.